My name is Sesame, and today I'm going to show you a delicious, nutritious, and very satisfying egg salad that has all kinds of hidden macronutrients that you and your family will get addicted to. So the question you're asking is, why should I eat an egg salad? This is a great way to get proteins in. It's a great way to get fats in. It's a great way to get ferments in. All of this is homemade. It doesn't cost much at all, and it's very satisfying. It has very good stomach fullness as well if it is eaten with a leaf of lettuce or two. And I'll show you in a second the ingredients of this marvelous egg salad. Okay, so the first thing that went into this salad was Richard's mayonnaise. As you can see, look how thick and beautiful this mayonnaise is. It is actually not made from what I thought it was made from, which was olive oil and sunflower oil, but rather sesame oil and cold-pressed sunflower oil. And very thick, very delicious, tart. It has the right mouthfeel to it. This whole half a bowl is going to go into the egg salad makings. Here we have 4 eggs, raw onions, cut very finely, some pickled ginger, chopped up very finely, some capers, a whole lot of cilantro. Yes, folks, I like to put cilantro in everything. And here is kimchi, ferments that Richard has made. So I'm going to mix it all together with this egg salad. And then you put it on these beautiful crisp lettuce leaves that were made from this pillowcase salad. So this is how fresh the pillowcase salad is. Oh, we did this on Sunday, and so 2-3 days after. Crisp red lettuce with a green at the other end, filled with water, very moist still, very fresh, and it'll keep until the end of this week. So what went into this was my pickled ginger, Richard's pickled kimchi, some cilantro, lemon juice. Always remember to put red onion and everything, and that's that. And once I mix this, you will notice that it's going to become a wonderful unctuous dressing that you can put on just about anything. So for people who say, oh, I don't know what to put it on, it does not have to be crackers, folks. It can be things other than crackers that you put your egg salad on. Oh, I forgot to add some salt to it. And I will add garam. This is nice Indonesian Balinese salt that I got on our trip to Bali. It's called garam. And I'm going to add a little bit of this salt here. The pepperiness will happen from the kimchi, which has a little bit of zip in it. It'll happen from the raw onion, which also has a little bit of zip in it. And what I'm going to do is add in all the mayonnaise. Sorry, Richard, you have no more mayonnaise to use. I love this mayonnaise. This mayonnaise, by the way, is based on Alton Jones's recipe, and it is way superior to my normal mayonnaise. So I'm going to steal this recipe. It requires 1 egg yolk as opposed to my 3 egg yolks, although my mayonnaise is more nutritious because it contains 3 egg yolks instead of 1. So let's have a taste of it, and I'll tell you what it tastes like. Actually, I'm going to put this on this lettuce leaf. See that lettuce leaf? I'm going to put some egg salad on that. There. And then I'm going to wrap it up and eat it. Oops. I think I need another leaf underneath this. There. I need to put 2 leaves under that, and then I'm going to eat it. Very good. Very good. I think it would benefit from the addition of some sour cream, a little bit more fat, and it's just great. Me and my friend Rusty are going on a picnic hike And this is a great thing to carry along. As you can see, it's a little bit liquid. To solidify it, I'm going to add a little bit more sour cream, and that's my egg salad. So for a keto way of living, if you're eating high fat and you want stomach fullness, it is critical to get leafy greens in. It's critical to get fats in. You don't have to have bread with everything. And people can wrap their heads around this by just doing it for a few days and seeing how you feel. Because it is important to have stomach feel. It's important to have the fats, and you're not eating too many carbs. So egg salad is rich in sulfur. It is rich in enzymes. You're getting capers, which are lacto-fermented. You're getting pickled ginger, which is lacto-fermented. You're getting kimchi, which is lacto-fermented. You're getting mayonnaise, which is wonderful, wonderful fats for this delicious egg salad. So make that a part of your life. You can have it for breakfast, lunch, dinner, or snack. Enjoy, and let me know what your egg salad recipes are. I wish I had some celery, so you should add some celery too, but I don't have celery. Anyhow, have a good day, and I hope you enjoy making your egg salad. See ya.